Okay, hey guys, Stacy Meisheimer, SWADE Productions. Hope you're having a good one. I'm recording this with my iPhone 6 Plus, so it's up a little, the color's a little off, or it's a little shaky, or any of that stuff. Sound sucks. You know why. Plus, my wife's holding the phone, so, you know. Mel,
Sorry.
could you move your finger out the way?
Oh my god.
It looked like it was in the.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
not.
Okay,
My arms are getting tired.
stop it. I'll do the ending. So what I did is I went to my local Restore Habitat for Humanity and picked up a pair of pants that's going to fit the actor who's going to play the role. The pants were $3, and I've already ripped them up and stained them just a little bit. Not done with that. I got a shirt for $3, and I got that, so that's $6 at Habitat. No big deal there. Also got an apron, kitchen apron from Wal-Mart. Now, I wish I would have went ahead and bought the ivory color one, because that's what color turned out anyway after 2 stain processes with coffee. So anyway, that's the costume. The actor already has the boots. So I'm pretty proud of the way it turned out. What I used to do this with is I used a knife, like a little pocket knife with a serrated edge. And I actually cut up the stuff, with scissors as well, cutting the sleeves. I've still got to fray those up with a serrated edge. The other thing I used was food coloring, which is red with a couple of drops of blue in there, which is going to be the more not as dark looking stuff on this apron. Kind of look like more of an aged blood. Okay, so the fresh stuff is actually scab blood, and that's kind of like a jelly, like a grape jelly that you would eat for breakfast. I wouldn't eat this for breakfast. Don't stop. Okay. I'm still working on it. The other thing I did, by the way, I almost forgot, is I used acrylic paint that I picked up at Wal-Mart for the sweat looking stuff, and I'm still kind of working on that for the underarms, around the neck, any place, the sides of the apron, any place that would collect sweat and dirt to build up like that. So basically that's it. I've done the same thing with a brown acrylic paint for the dirt and stuff that you may collect walking in the woods. That is basically it so far. I have ordered the mask, and I will probably do one more video with my actor Kylan wearing all of this. Another thing is I'm going to use a real chainsaw. I will not use a fake one. I did look at a few props, and to me they might work, but the chain goes around too slow. I'd rather use a real one, so I may do that. Basically that's it. I'm really proud of the way this is turning out. It was real fun. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. If you want to, comment below, and if I get enough people commenting, I'll do this from scratch. I'll show you the how I ripped everything, how I stained everything, blah blah blah. Also, share this video. Help me help this channel grow a little bit, as well as spread the words about No Words too, because I'm hoping this has just as much success as No Words, the first one, did. So anyway, this has been Stacy Meisheimer, SWADE Productions. See you later.